darkness to light, don't fight. Bring in light to dark, 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 bring in light to dark. Listen, if it wasn't for the Most High, you wouldn't get by. If it wasn't for universal order, you wouldn't know why I brought you this information. Straight like this, don't get it twisted. You're on one with the planet Earth, I know my worth. Love the black woman, they're most necessary. See, just like the sun is synonymous to the original man, must stay according to the same kind of plan. We written by the same books and scrolls. Plus we know our both roles. He and her bring forth the perfection, and this is our resurrection. Let me show you now. I love women and love being in them. I need light to shine on her so I can shine within. Meaning I can build and do things from the womb. If we have a meeting of the minds and ignorance won't be consumed. Take over mind, you take over body, take over the soul. Now how would I be able to grow? And how would she be able to show and also prove? Bring in light to dark, make your move. Bring in light to dark, 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 bring in light to dark. Don't bring in light to dark. Yeah. You know what I mean? I'm not established in pursuit of happiness. Feel me? Hold on. Call this, take this call. Take this call.
I just want to send a shout out to my people.
No doubt. Make sure this picture clicks. You'll be able to take the picture of this whole shit. Yo, the bankers are bailing out. And the people that don't know won't even find out. You know, they got camps waiting for you. They gonna raid your house. They got drugs out there, giving it to your spouse, for him and her to sell. They even building jails for little kids that want to tell, snitch on each other. Bullshit. These motherfuckers, they don't need to be around. We know, I know, and you know, they ain't even trying to get down. But they really there. They need to put their back in the wind and be part of the air. Now how we gonna do that there? Get back to the right ideas. With each other we'll do better, break bread and we'll share. I thought about that. If the banks get broke down and there's no money circulating, how will we be relating? Some will build with God, some will build with Satan. They broke covenants and built contracts. And they don't even want to swim 9,000 miles to get back. Now how we going to do that? Protestant fell. And Protestant fell. I guess it's hell that waits for all of us, the firmament, the fire, who be the truth and who be a liar. I guess lies got clothes or minds on his back, so I'm chasing lies down for that. Darkness to light, darkness to light. Don't fight. Darkness to light, darkness to the light, darkness to light. Don't fight. Bring in light to dark, 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 bring in light to dark. This is just an art. Take it this way.